Welcome to Cloud Tech Bucket. In this video, we're going to deploy a Dell EMC Unity virtual appliance, which is Unity VSA. It's really a fantastic tool. With this virtual storage, you can configure the iSCSI file, proc, bvol, all those things, and you can also demonstrate the replications by IP through one or two appliances. You can have that. So it's available for VMware, ESXi, and KVM as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can deploy it. So it's the Dell Universal Portal software downloads. So you can go there under the primary data storage. You'll see this Unity VSA. So it's available for all those models. You can deploy 2 for single SP and then 2 core dual SP and 12 core dual SP, and it has the licensing version also. So for free you can deploy a 4 terabyte of storage. Here is the download link. Go there and log in by your Dell EMC support account and then download it. So in my lab, I already downloaded it. So as you can see, I have Unity VSA 5.5 already downloaded. That's the latest version available till now. Okay. So I have ESXi here. So what I will create a virtual machine from this OVA file. Okay. So to do that, click on create register VM, then select deploy virtual machine from OVA for OVA file, then next, and select the file. It's in my downloads, unityvsa.ova, and then I'm going to name it Unity DR. Okay, and then click next. So I will select this data store here, click next. So in my case, my network for the management network, it will be VM network, and for data network, I will use the same network. But in your case, if you plan to use management on a single network, and then your data network for iSCSI 1, you can use any of them, and for data network, iSCSI 2, you can use another interface. So it's up to you how many VLANs you have. So in my case, I have a single VLAN, so I am putting all the interfaces to the same VLAN. And definitely I will choose the disk provisioning as a thing, so that I can save some space. Power on automatically, I want to be tick on this, because I want to see the deployment first. Once it's complete the import, and then I will power on it. So I will name it Unity DR, and then the management IP, I'll put it 10.10.17.251. Okay, then click next, and seems all good. Click finish. So as you can see, the OVA import already started. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes so that the import is complete. So once the import is complete, we will power this one. So let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, the OVA import is complete. Let's power it on. So before power it on, I want to add my data disk, where I will make the disk pool. So I have to add that. So to do that, I'll select this VM and then go to action, then edit settings, and here I will add a hard disk, new standard hard disk. I will say 2 terabyte, and I'll make this as a thin provision. Okay. Oh, I don't have 2 terabyte of space, so rather than that, I'll make it 1 terabyte, so that it don't go beyond the overall capacity. Okay, so I already added this disk, which will be used my disk device pool. Now for this one, we can open the virtual machine console so that we can see what's going on there. As you can see, the storage appliance is being powering on. Let's wait for a couple of minutes to complete the power on, and all the services should be up. In the meantime, we will need to wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so we can see the VM is successfully deployed. So now we need to log in and then configure the management IP address into the appliance. So to log in into this console, we need to provide the username as service and password as service. Sorry, one second. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm logged in. I will configure the management IP address. If in your environment you have DHCP, so you should get the IP from the DHCP, but if not, then you can provide the static IP address also. So I'll wait for a couple of seconds to complete these steps. So as you can see, it has 29 steps to start. I mean 29 services. So out of 29, 6 services is up. So let's wait for a couple of seconds so that it's complete the service startup process. Okay, since the services is up now, let's SVC underscore initial setup. Let me check what's going on. My mistake. SVC initial config. Okay, so we can set it in a single command. SVC initial config the network and then IPv4. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay. Initial config -f, then I will name it as Dell Unity 01, then -4 for IPv4, and then management IP address 17.251 space subnet mask 0, then gateway. Okay, then enter. Okay, so this is saving the name your Unity 01. Okay, pass management IP address seems good. Successfully configured the network address. So now we can take if this IP is pingable. Ping 10.10.17.251. Okay, yes, we can ping. So now from browser, I will log into 10.10.17.251. My bad. 10.10.17.251. Advanced proceed default SSL certificate. Okay, I got it. So the default username is admin and the password is password 123 hash. Login. So after the first login, the initial configuration wizard will come, and then we will have to follow this step. So okay, Let's start it. Clicking next, accept, licensing policy, next. Change the password. So I will provide the new password for GUI login, and here as you can see you can make the service password as same. So I will keep saying that main password and the service password would remain same. Click next. Okay, if you have DNS, you can configure the DNS IP address here, but I don't have DNS, so I will choose disable DNS on this storage. Click next. Proxy, I don't have any proxy server here. Click next. No NTP. Click next. Here, so we get this system UUID, and for this UUID, we need to get the license from the licensing portal. So let me show you how we can get it. So this is the portal for Unity VSA license. You have to log in by your email address. So log in by your email address and then um, provide the UUID here and then click on submit, and it will take a couple of seconds, and then the license will be available to download. Yes, so license is available. Clicking download. As you can see, this license file already downloaded. So let's get started then. I'm coming back here, then click on install license and choose file. So it's in my downloads. Clicking open and click on finish. It's more like the physical appliance how you configure, mostly same. Okay, click close. Yeah, license is activated. Now click next. So pool, you can create the pool here, but I will not create pool here. I will create it later. I'll click next. Then alert, I will not configure alert this time. I will do it on another video. So iSCSI interface, I'm not going to declare it. I will configure the iSCSI later on. And NAS server, I'm not creating the NAS server now. I'll do it later and then click close. So here you go. This is the Unity VSA storage system. So it's up now. Let's complete the pool step. Clicking here. So as you remember, we have added a 1 terabyte and terabyte disk. So from that disk, we will create this DR pool 01. Clicking next. Here you can see the disk is here. So I will make it as a performance tier, as only single disk I have. Okay, then click next. Okay, so 1 terabyte. Clicking next. I will not create the VMware capabilities. I want to manage it manually, but if you wish, you can create these so that VWall can be configured or integrated. Okay, done. This is our 1 terabyte pool for this storage. So thank you very much. Keep watching our video. So keep subscribed to our channel for more videos in future. Have a nice time. Bye bye.